Hello class, today we're going to learn deductible and co-insurance. Yeah, we will have some problem solving. But before that, let us see what is the meaning of deduct. Okay class, there are several provisions in insurance contract that may cause the policyholder to receive compensation less than the actual loss. Yeah, and the policyholder have to bear part of the loss. So this is what they call deductible and co-insurance, yeah, which are known also as joint insurance. So deductible comes from the word deduct, yeah, minus. So deductible is an amount that must be borne by the policyholder. The policyholder must pay some amount of money first, yeah, before they can make a claim from the insurance company. And deductible commonly found in the contract of property insurance, yeah, medical and health insurance, and motor insurance. But this provision is not in the life insurance and personal liability insurance. Yeah. Okay, let's see example 4. Madam Suhaila, yeah, has purchased, this one is motor insurance for her car with a deductible provision. Okay, this one is in the contract, yeah, of 300 ringgit, and Madam Suhaila should be aware of this in the contract. She should read this in the contract. So during the insurance coverage period, Madam Suhaila suffered three accidents. The losses suffered in March, July, and August were, okay, this amount. Okay, this amount you can see here. Yeah, 2,800. July is 250. August is 400. Okay. So state whether Madam Suhaila can make a claim for the losses suffered. Okay, if yes, state the amount of compensation, yeah, how much the insurance will pay, yeah, compensation that can be claimed by each loss. Okay, let's see, yeah. For March, the loss is 2,800. So meaning deductible means Madam Suhaila have to pay 300 ringgit first before the company will pay the balance, yeah, to Madam Suhaila. And this amount, the loss must be more than the deductible, must be more, yeah. Okay, so okay, this one is more than the deductible. That means yes, yeah, that means yes, Madam Suhaila can make a claim. But how much the company will pay? How much the company will pay to Madam Suhaila? Okay, so total loss is 2,800, right? So Madam Suhaila will pay 300 first, yeah, for her to be eligible for the claim, yeah, for the compensation. So 2,500 left. This is the one that the company will pay to Madam Suhaila, yeah. Okay, what about July? On July the loss is only 250, and it is less than 300. So Madam Suhaila cannot claim, cannot claim. So no compensation. Okay, what about August? Yeah, August. On August 400, yeah, the loss. Okay, it is more than 300. That means yes, Madam Suhaila can claim, but only Okay, have to minus. Company will pay how much? Minus first the deductible of Madam Suhaila, 100 ringgit only. So company will only pay 100 ringgit for Madam Suhaila. Okay. For in motor insurance, for policy holder is responsible for a compulsory deductible of 400. Okay, that means if you are the policy holder, you have to pay compulsory RM 400 to the company, insurance company. If the insured vehicle is driven by an individual who is not named in the policy. The first the first requirement is when the individual is not named in the policy. Maybe somebody drove the car, not named in the policy. Second, it's named in the policy but is under 21 years old. It's under 21 years old. Okay. The third one is when the holder, the driver is a provisional holder, driving license. L, have L, the under provision, under provision. Still not get the full license. Okay, just started learning to drive. Okay, or the holder of a driving is less than 2 years. Okay, this one is less, that is less than 2 years. 2 years license, have a holder of the full driving license. Okay, so remember this one, even though you don't drive the car and somebody drove your car and they are under these requirements, you have to pay 400 first to the bank for the bank, not the bank, the insurance company, so that the insurance company will pay the compensation. Okay, example 5. This one is in medical insurance. Chairlin has a medical insurance policy with a deductible of 30,000. Oh, this is a big amount per year. With an annual limit of 300,000. Okay. So in the first year of his insured period, Chairlin had been hospitalized for appendix surgery and treatment, cost 8,000. Following year, underwent heart surgery and treatment, 210,000. And then state the amount borne by Chairlin and the amount paid by the insurance company for the first and second year of her insurance period. Okay, let's see. Let's see. For the first year, the treatment cost, the cost is 8,000. Okay, 8,000. Deductible is 30,000. It is less than the deductible. It is less than the deductible. So Chairlin cannot claim. Cannot claim. Okay. But second year, second year, for the heart surgery and treatment cost, so the cost is 210,000. 210,000. So this is more than the deductible. Deductible is 30K, more than the deductible. So how much the company will pay? How much company will pay? Yeah, you have to minus first. You minus the deductible first. 30,000. Yeah, you minus the deductible. So when you minus, you'll get 180,000. Okay, so this one will be paid by Cherlyn. Yeah, Cherlyn will pay, and 180,000 will be paid by the insurance. Yeah, by the insurance company. Okay, so you can see now that deductible, you have to pay first, yeah, before you can claim the insurance, and it must be your cost must be more than the deductible. Only then you can claim. Okay, you might be thinking, why there is this kind of provision? Why they have deductible? Why you want to have deductible? Okay, when you your contract, you buy insurance that have deductible, that means your insurance is cheaper. Yeah, cheaper. The premium is cheaper. Yeah, that's why people have this deductible. Yeah, it's cheaper. Okay, and you can choose your deductible. Yeah, how big the amount of your deductible. Yeah, the bigger the deductible, the premium will get higher. The smaller the deductible, the premium will be less. Yeah. Okay, now we look into core insurance. Yeah, in property insurance. Okay, core insurance is the cost sharing. Yeah, cost sharing of the loss between insurance company and the policy holder. Okay, so for a core insurance clause in property insurance, the policy holder is required to insure his property. Yeah, you are required to insure your property in a certain amount based on the percentage of core insurance determined by the insurance company for the insurable value of the property. Okay, let's say you have a house. Yeah, let's say you have a house over here, and then your house is, the value of your house is 100,000. Yeah, 100,000. And then the banks, the insurance company, yeah, insurance company said that your house, you can insure your house 80% of the value of your house. Yeah, okay, the value of your house. So 80% is 80,000, right? So this is the amount that will be insured. Yeah, the required amount. Okay, for you to insure the house so that you will get a full compensation. Okay, if the co-insurance provision is not met, okay, you don't insure your house for 80K, the policyholder will have to bear some of the losses together with the insurance company. Okay. Therefore, if the policyholder wishes to recover full compensation for the partial loss incurred, he must insecure the property in accordance with his core insurance provision. Okay, so there is a formula lah, the insurance company will use. The required insurance, the amount of required insurance is percentage of core insurance times the insurable value of the property. So in this case, the percentage of core insurance is 80%. The insurable value is 100,000. 100,000. Okay, that is core insurance. Let's see one example. Before that example, we have to see first what happened if the insured value is the same as the required insurance. Okay, let's say the banks, the company, insurance company say the required insurance is 80,000. You have to insure your house for 80,000, and then you agree and you insure your house 80,000. Okay, this is called your insured value, and this is the required by the insurance company. So the amount of compensation if anything happen to your house is the amount of loss. Okay, let's say you caught fire, 50,000 your house. Okay, and then the company will pay you full compensation, but have to minus the deductible lah. Have to minus the deductible first. This one have to see in the contract how much is the deductible. But what happen if the insured value is less? Let's say the required one is 80,000, but you only able to insure your house for 60,000. So what happened? Okay, so the amount of compensation is, there is a formula the company will use, insurance company will use. That is the amount of insurance purchase, that is 60,000 divided by amount of required is 80,000 times amount of loss is 50,000, and then you have to minus the deductible. This is, you'll get less than this. Okay. For number 3, if you suffered a total loss, the amount of compensation is the amount that you purchase. Okay, let's say you purchase 50,000, for the house, you insure it for 50,000. So you minus deductible, so you'll get the compensation. Total loss. Maybe your total loss is more, should be more than 50,000. Because your house is 80,000 the value. Okay, so you will lose here. For number 3, you will lose. It depends on how much you insure. If you insure 80,000 minus deductible, you get the compensation. Depends on how much you insure your house. Okay, let's see example. For example 6, Encik Ismail wants to buy fire insurance for his house. the insurable value of his house is 350,000. The company policy wants to buy, he wants to buy his co-insurance provision to ensure 80% of his insurable value and a deductible of 2,000. Okay, so first what we do, you are asked to do calculate the amount of insurance required by Encik Ismail for the house. Yeah, so how much for the house? Okay, so the required, yeah, the amount of required insurance is, okay, the bank say 80%, right? The co-insurance provision, 80% of the value of the house, yeah, so 350,000. So the amount of required insurance, yeah, is RM 280,000. So this is the required. Yeah, the company, insurance company, asked Encik Ismail to insure the house for 280,000. Yeah. Okay, now let us see B. Yeah, B. Encik Ismail's house caught on fire, and the amount of loss is 25,000. Yeah, 25,000. Calculate the amount of compensation, yeah, that Encik Ismail will receive if he insure his house at the required insurance. Required insurance, if you still remember, is 280,000. Yeah, 280,000. Just now we have calculated already. Yeah, 280,000. So how much he will get? He will get the loss is, so we just write amount of compensation, yeah, is, so the loss is 25,000. Okay, the fire caused by the fire, and you just minus the deductible. Yeah, deductible is 2,000, so minus 2,000. So the amount of compensation that the insurance company will pay is 23,000. Yeah, RM 23,000, because Encik Ramli insure his house at the amount of required insurance. Okay. Okay. But what happen if okay, he insured his house for only 150,000. Only 150,000. So you have to use the formula just now, the second one, eh? The second one. So the amount of compensation will be the insured amount 150,000 only, yeah, here, divide by the required, yeah, the required amount to be insured, and then times with the loss, yeah, 25,000, minus with the deductible to 2,000, yeah, 2,000 here. Okay, so what do you get is 13,392.86 cents minus 2,000. You'll get not you, Encik Ismail will get 11,392.86 $2.86 only. Yeah. So this is the amount of compensation that the company will pay. Okay, you haven't answered the question. You have to calculate the penalty, co-insurance penalty. So how much is the penalty? Okay, how much is the penalty? Because the company, insurance company, will only pay this amount, so the penalty is co-insurance penalty. Penalty is, you just minus the one that your loss, you minus with the amount of compensation. Yeah. Okay, 13, this is the amount. Yeah, 13,286. So the penalty is actually 11,607.14. Yeah. Okay, for C, this one is suffered total loss. Total loss, that means if he insured his house for only 200,000, so the amount compensation he will receive is only 200,000. Yeah, this is what he insured the house, minus with the deductible. Yeah, minus deductible. So this is the amount that the insurance company will pay. Yeah, will pay to Inci Ismail.